Hey there, and welcome back to another video. So, if you're planning to transfer your domain from Godaddy to another registrar, one of the most important things you'll need is your EPP code, also called the authorization code. It might sound a little technical, but don't worry. I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started without any delay. First, head over to the Godaddy website. From the homepage, go to the My Products section. You'll find it either in the top right corner or in the side menu depending on the layout. Inside My Products, scroll down until you see the domain you want to transfer. Next to it, click on Manage. This will take you to the dashboard for that specific domain. Once you're in the Domain Management dashboard, click on the Domain option from the list. Then look for Domain Settings. Here's where things start to get important. You'll see the Domain Lock option. By default, domains are locked to prevent unauthorized transfers. Go ahead and unlock it by selecting Domain Lock, then confirm by clicking Continue. With the lock turned off, you're ready for the key part, getting your EPP code. Select Transfer to another registrar. This option will guide you to the authorization code needed for the transfer. You'll see another prompt asking you to continue, so click that as well. Finally, look for the link that says click here to see authorization code. Once you click it, Godaddy will display your EPP code. Make sure to copy it right away. Use the Copy to Clipboard button so you've got it saved and ready to paste when you start the transfer process. And that's it. You've successfully found your EPP code on Godaddy. Follow these steps and you'll have what you need in just a couple of minutes. If this guide was helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And if you get stuck anywhere, drop a comment below. I'd be happy to help.